Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add image in different variation in variable product in WooCommerce. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to add images in product variation. On left side you see product and then you see add new, so click on it. So we are going to add variable product with images. Now add new product section open, so you can add your product name according to your requirement, and then we are going to add variation, and then scroll down, you see product image. Now select and then you see upload file and then you see select file, so click on it. So we select images and then click on open. Now uploading, so this is our feature image product and then you see set product image, so click on it. Now product image edit and then you see product data, drop down, select variable product and then you see inventory, shipping, multiple option. So we are going to add attributes, so click on attributes and then you see add new, so you can add name and value visible on product page, use for variation. So we added name, attribute, size and then you see value, enter option for customer to choose from. So we added three value, black, red, green, separated by vertical bar and then click on save attribute. Now added and then you see variation, so click on it and then you see two button, generate variation, add manually, so click on generate variation. OK, and then you see three variation created. Now expand it and then you see black and then you see variation price 10 and then you see image, upload an image for this variation. Now select and then select black, set variation image. Now image edit, expand another, red, add variation price. Now upload an image, select. Now expand another, variation price 20, upload an image. Now select and then click on set variation. So we added images for different variation for variable product and then click on update or publish. Now product publish done. So when customer select different variation, then product image change. Now open product. Now product open and then you see image, so this is our default image and then you see size variation. Now select red and then you see image change. Now select green, again you see image change. Now select black. So in this way you can add images for different variation for variable product in WooCommerce. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.